Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to find password and security. Then we have to tap on system security. Now let's scroll down in order to find credential storage. Let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got this information that the credential storage has been erased successfully, which is more, we cannot tap on this option, which is another evidence that we just successfully removed them. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.